Hi friends, I am Emre. Hope you are well. I am from the Binance Global Affiliate Program. Today I am going to demonstrate how you can trade tokenized Qualcomm stocks on the Binance Global platform. First, we must open a Binance Global account. When opening this account, you can use one of the referral codes, 2026 BEST code, BEST code max, or Futures Max. These codes provide you with a lifetime 20% spot commission rebate and also provide periodic 10% commission rebates on leverage trades. And you may also have the opportunity to earn the $19,800 welcome bonus, which is one of Binance Global's periodic bonuses. Now, let us take a look together at how to trade Qualcomm tokenized stocks. Yes, friends, now I'll show you how to trade Qualcomm bStocks shares, which are tokenized Qualcomm stocks, on the Binance Global platform. First, we need to verify our KYC. With your passport, ID card, residence permit, or driver's license, you can perform KYC verification. Since Binance complies with all regulations, KYC is very important. You can easily do it with your phone. Furthermore, I will now demonstrate how to deposit funds. Notice that it says Add Funds in the top right corner. We click on that. From here, we select Buy with US dollars. On the next page, we choose our payment method. I will select Master Visa Card as an example. We will buy Tether or USDC. I'm selecting Tether here. You may use your local currency. I have entered 1,000 here as an example. The moment you click Preview Order and approve the subsequent steps, the transaction will be executed. I have now purchased $1,000 of Tether. As you can see, there is a market section on the bottom left. I click on that. As you can see, there are many options here like Crypto, Tradefi, and Alpha. I am choosing Tradefi. I select bStocks from here. Now we will find Qualcomm from here. I found Qualcomm. I clicked it. This is Qualcomm's chart, friends. If you click the info section, you can see the Qualcomm tokenized bStock shares, volume, market cap, and in addition, you can see the circulating supply of Qualcomm bStock. Now I'll show you how to buy. I click Buy. Here. The ones in red on the top right are sell orders. The ones in green are buy orders. Friends, the one in the middle shows the current Qualcomm price. While purchasing, we click on one of the first two rows of the red orders in the top right. We had $1,000 available. I write 1,000 here. When I say 6, I will have bought my Qualcomm's friends. When selling, I click Sell. This time I select from the green list on the right, the first. I click one of the two rows. I enter my Qualcomm shares. I used 6 as an example. When I click Sell, it sells, friends. You can trade Qualcomm tokenized stocks on Binance Global in this manner with ease. Yes, friends, that is how you trade Qualcomm tokenized stocks on Binance Global. I truly hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to visit the Binance Global Academy pages. How can you learn to read charts on those pages? How can you secure your account and your funds from potential scammers? You can easily find information like this. Do not forget to follow Binance Global's social media accounts. See you in other videos. Sincerely, Emre.